Hello everyone, I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's we'll try to unbox the Type-C adapter which I ordered from the Amazon website. So there's some kind of specialties going friends with this kind of Type-C adapter. So by using this Type-C adapter you can listen to the music and you can charge the device at same time. So that is what this cable is meant for, this kind of adapter is meant for, which is created for the Cable Creations and which also says Iris Audio. As you can clearly see friends, the Iris Audio you will be seeing somewhere else with the IQ7 device, particularly as you can clearly see friends with the IQ7 device. So I'll try to test with the IQ7 device as well by using this charging and listen to the music at same time, whether it can charge faster or not. I'll try to test that kind of thing, so make sure to stay tuned friends. And the reason why I ordered this kind of expensive adapter is because it supports the fast charging up to 60 watts. As you can see friends, support PD charge 3.0 as well. PD charge is there. So I'll try to test in this phone, in the IQ7 device, and even in the Mi11X as well. Particularly I'll try to see in the Mi11X mainly. So let's see which phone will be having the really good speeds. So here's a quick unboxing video friends. Let me quickly unbox the thing and let's see what will be the package as well. And this from the Cable Creations, which I did order so from the Amazon website for $1,000. So let me try to quickly show you the complete package. So this is a small package which we got here. As you can see friends, small box which is from the Cable Creations. So this is a complete box package. This is how it looks out of the box, as you can clearly see friends. And we need to unbox here. And let's see what will be the box inside. And make sure to comment below friends in case if you want me to make any other videos or by using this Cable Creations Type-C to and or 3.5mm jack at same time. So maybe in the Realme X1 Max, I think Realme X1 Max doesn't require. So IQ7 and the Mi11X and OnePlus 9R, I'll try to focus what will be the charging speed and what will be the audio quality as well. That will be a really good example. I'll try to do that kind of video. And previously I do have this kind of OnePlus adapter as well. I did a lot of videos on this OnePlus adapter testing in the IQ7 device particularly. So make sure to check that video friends in case if you haven't checked. So overall these are quick impressions friends about this Type-C to 3.5mm jack and the charging at same time. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'm waiting for all your comments. So make sure to comment below. The reason I did this kind of unboxing is because I just want to know all the feedbacks and all the comments on which phone most of the users are actually waiting for the review. So make sure to comment below friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.